What makes a good weld? In part 2 of this series, we talked about the welding machine itself. In this video, we're going to talk about training. What makes a good weld? Training is super critical. First, does the technician know how to set up the machine? This sounds like a duh statement, but you'd be surprised at how many don't know how to do this. They just keep making adjustments until it sounds good. Does the technician understand the parameters of the adjustments? Just because it sounds good doesn't mean they're making good welds. Do they know how to prep metal for welding? Do they understand thickness of material, corrosion protection, contamination? What type of weld do they need to make? Continuous plug stitch or skip? Depending on the type of welding required for specific metals, wire or weld, do they use the push or pull technique? Do they have to use a shunt during ST/SW or spot welding? Do they know when MIG brazing is required? What makes a good weld? As we've seen in this 3-part video series, you need to consider 3 elements: the technician, the welding machines, and training. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.